So first thing first, you need to sign in on your own YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. After that, you want to make sure you are already purchasing the base plan of YouTube TV and ensure subscription is still active, because you cannot watch Bloomberg Originals network with not having YouTube TV base plan first. So to buy the YouTube TV base plan, on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click right here on the store icon. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks that was available. And then on the YouTube TV networks, you want to click on it. And then you want to add YouTube TV base plan to your membership by paying for $60 per month, and you can get 5-day free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And then to watch Bloomberg Originals, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon. And then you can just search for Bloom. And here on Bloomberg Originals, you want to click on it. And then you may scroll down and see the live session of the Bloomberg Originals. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch Bloomberg Originals on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.